Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.